Hey guys, and welcome to our, is it Hanging Handyman or How to Handyman series? Anyway, we've got a video on, what have we got a video on this time? Okay, this time we're going to talk about something a little bit different, handyman health, and something that, a little health condition I have, and I know a lot of other handyman or builders or tradies have, and that's I get really numb hands when I've had a day on the tools or using power tools or a lot of heavy lifting and stuff. Now, been to the doctor, had a good chat to the doctor about it. Doctor just sort of said, oh, well, you're getting old and you really need to put up with it. But I was online not long ago, and for those that don't know, as one of my hobbies, I do Ironman triathlon, which is like really long distance stuff. I am actually a qualified personal trainer as well, not that you would really necessarily know. So I do take an interest in health. And online I found, and I'm sorry I can't find the link now to their video, but a couple of physiotherapists in the US had a great cure for numb hands. So with the normal disclaimers that you should always consult your doctor before trying anything, or a physio or a professional for whatever your health condition actually is. The thing that really helped me was what I've just been doing there, which is hanging and stretching. Theory being that the problem of the numbness in my hands seems to be that I've got very tight shoulders, and the tight shoulders really come from exactly that, lots of lifting and pulling and pushing. So by getting up and hanging from something up high, a bit like what we used to do as kids, monkey bars and those sort of things, you actually create space in the shoulder cavity. So that stretch will actually open up the shoulders and take the pressure off the nerves that are in there. For me, it really works. I know if I miss doing the stretching that at night I'll get woken up with the numb hands coming through. But if I actually get on and stretch, then that problem goes away. So all you really have to do, really simple, find something up high that you can grab onto and stretch out. So for me, that means I can lift my legs off the ground and I'm getting a stretch through the shoulder. Now, at first when you start, you can probably only do it for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You may not even be able to take your feet right off the ground. But over time, as you build up some strength and build up a bit of time actually in that stretch, you're going to be able to lift your feet up and go for as long as required. And for me, initially 20 or 30 seconds was all I needed. Now I can hang and really feel that stretch for anything up to a minute, and probably only need to do it a minute a day, and that's it. Problem sort of gone away. So anyway, just a helpful little tip for those of you out there doing the in the building trade, or you may have that problem from some other issue. As I said before though, consult your health professional, your doctor or your physio before you actually go and attempt it. But hey, who knows? Handy little tip might actually help you. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like what you see, as always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.